In this video, I will explain how to create a returns and refunds policy using the guided wizard option. On your WordPress dashboard, click on WPLegalPages. Then select the wizard option. You will see this screen. Select the Returns and Refunds policy option and click on Create. You can set your preferred language and update your legal details here. Under the data sections, choose the appropriate answers to the questions. Select the kind of goods you are selling. Enter the time period to request a refund and number of days required for processing a refund. Select the terms and conditions attached to the return or refund policy. And click on Next. You can review your return and refund policy template here, and then publish. Next, you will see the page editor, where you have an option to manually draft or make changes as required. Then click on Publish to publish the page. Your Returns and Refunds page is now created. You can use the guided wizard to create privacy policy, terms and conditions, CCPA, Impressum, and your own custom legal page.